Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be introducing you to this super adorable mini rice cooker from CHACEEF. This not only is super cute, but it's very practical as well. And let me show you why. I chose to cook a cup of brown rice on this, but you can cook up to 2 cups of white rice. Once you put the water, the rice, you're gonna press the setting or the function of whatever you'll be cooking. Right now I chose brown rice. I'm going to patiently wait for 45 minutes, and once it's done, I love that it automatically goes into a keep warm function. And ta-da, it's delicious rice. This is also very easy to clean, which that's a must for me. This has various functions. I loved how it has a non-stick coating because it just makes it super practical. And I really like that it's very compact because this is great for whenever you're camping. If you have a small RV, a small apartment, or it's only you and the family, this is perfect to buy. This is a great gift. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.